Good morning, guys. Jay with Green Stooges Lawn Care. We are headed over to a HOA property and got an area back behind their garage that is overgrown, got a bunch of shrubs and weeds and hedges and everything that they won't cut down. They're actually putting this home on the market, trying to get it ready to sell, and want us to do a little bit of cleanup around the property before they do that. So we're headed over there now. Going to take you with us, get a little bit of footage, show you what we got going on today. If you will, now would be a good time to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you get all the latest content. So we're going to go on, and we'll see you at the job site here in just a second. All right, guys, we're here at the job site. Just getting everything ready, set up, go to work. Not real sure how long this is going to take us. Shouldn't take us too terribly long. I can get my ducks in a row here. Let's go back here and take a look at it. Looks like we got to do a little trailer maintenance.
Do what?
I'm making a video.
Oh, Lord.
Yep.
Are you in the camera?
Just so we can get limbs on the truck. Lance is going to dismantle the trailer. But anyway, guys, I'll show you a little bit about what we got going on here. Starting right down there, we've got to clean this ditch all the way out. We already got a lot of the big stuff cut out. And you can see it goes on back behind the shed here, in the garage. But we're gonna get that cleaned up. Got to haul everything off, so that's why Lance is dismounting the trailer. Get everything, we can just throw it all in the trailer and get it out of here. What's your game plan?
Hey.
Oh God, we're screwed.
I'm going to start right there with the tall grass. Work my way back this way so I can see what we've got left right there on this end. I think we can get everything loaded on the trailer. What do you think?
Oh yeah, it'll go.
Okay, good. Glad you think we can do that, though,
Oh yeah, we can get it. Well, all right, ready to do this?
Dan, did you say? All right, Dan.
All right, then, let's do it.
He's going to take more pictures of it, hoping it'll just disappear every time he takes a picture.
Yeah, but it's not working.
Be careful, there's big boulders all in
Yeah, there's all kind of
here.
junk in here.
Boulders.
Big bulging. All right, guys, we finished that little old job up. It didn't take near as long as what I thought it would. It was actually done in about 2.5 hours, and that's getting it all cleaned up and everything. So it turned out really well. It was a mess, but we got it cleaned up. Could not have done it without the battery-powered Dewalt Chainsaw, man. I tell you, if y'all got one of those, I want to hear about it. This is an awesome tool. I'm glad we got it. It was a lifesaver today. But we're headed now to dump all this stuff off the trailer, and we're actually going to be done for the day. We're going to get to enjoy our weekend somewhat. But anyway, guys, y'all be safe out there. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next job.